Well, hello everybody. You're going to be seeing more of us broadcasting from our homes over the coming weeks as we all continue to create more and more of that social distance and avoid being around each other at work and everywhere else. Luckily, the weather is going to be getting better, so we can get outside and enjoy some fresh air, and we can still do that at least. We picked up quite a bit of rain here in our final hours of winter yesterday. Yes, it's the first full day of spring. 10:49 last night is when the vernal equinox began, and the direct rays of the sun crossed the equator again into our side of the hemisphere of the planet. Picked up almost a half inch of rain, 3/4 of an inch of rain picked up in parts of southern Minnesota. So it was a soaker, and we missed the snow in the metro, but not so lucky in some parts of southeastern Minnesota, down around Rochester to La Crosse. In that area, they picked up 1 to 3 inches of some wet snow, but yeah, not so much here. Cold though today. Temperatures today and tomorrow, some of the coldest readings we've seen all month. Today will be our coldest day of the whole month, it looks like. Kind of late, but and ironically our first full day of spring, but it is what it is. 18 tomorrow morning. We haven't seen temperatures in the teens yet this month, in the Twin Cities at least, officially, but that's going to change tomorrow morning. A little warmer in the afternoon, but as we head into Sunday, warmer yet, back to normal. That is about normal, low to mid 40s for us, but we could have a few early morning snow showers and a little bit maybe tomorrow night, so maybe a slushy coating on the grass tomorrow night. Wind speeds, those are going to be decreasing through the day, so that's the good news. A lot of wind here, especially overnight, but even into the early morning hours, so we'll see those wind speeds decrease gradually here, under 15 miles an hour I think by later in the afternoon, but still pretty breezy through the day. That will finally change heading into the overnight. Once the sun sets, we're going to see those winds drop off. Just some passing clouds today into tomorrow morning, fairly bright. We'll see clouds increase a little bit in the afternoon tomorrow, and then a quick shot of some snow coming in tomorrow night into early Sunday. Again, maybe a slushy coating of snow, that'll be it, but we're going to melt whatever we get because we'll be in the 40s. The sun should pop back out Sunday afternoon, looking like a decent afternoon Sunday actually. Again, maybe from the metro north into parts of Wisconsin, a little slushy coating of some accumulation, but only around freezing today. Windy, north winds 12 to 24 miles an hour. Again, decreasing though, so that's a good trend. Tonight will be colder into the teens, sub-zero for a few spots in northwestern Minnesota. And then the next several days, we're looking at temperatures gradually warm back up to above normal readings, more spring-like, low 50s next week. But we are going to have a little unsettled weather. It looks like we're going to have probably some a couple of spotty showers midweek next week. But then I wanted to show you a little bit of hope because we need that, right? The long-range models all agree on a pretty decent warm-up here late next week into our final days of March, beginning April. Now, this is the American model. It's the most optimistic right now. It's got temperatures, a string of them in the 70s here, starting the 31st, Tuesday, into the first days of April. So hopefully something to look forward to. Have a good weekend.